Welcome to Useful Commands for Wrangling Text Files. In this video, you will learn how to apply commands that operate on files to create a line-by-line sorted view, create a view that excludes repeated lines, extract lines containing a specified pattern, extract slices and fields from each line, and merge lines from multiple files. The sort command sorts the lines of a file alphanumerically and prints the sorted result to standard output. By entering sortpets.txt, you get back the alphabetically sorted output, with cat repeated 5 times and dog repeated twice. If you enter sort-rpets.txt, you get back the lines sorted in reverse order, with the dog lines appearing before the cat lines. If you have repeated lines in your file, you can use the unique command to filter out the repeated lines. Recall the contents of pets.txt by entering catpets.txt. By entering uniquepets.txt, you get back cat, dog, and cat. Note that the unique command only removes duplicated lines if they are consecutive. Thus, the word cat appears twice here because cat appears before and after the 2 dog lines, interrupting the consecutive sequence. The grep command, which stands for Global Regular Expression Print, returns lines of a file matching a specified pattern, such as a regular expression. Suppose you have a list of famous people's names stored in a file, which you can view by entering catpeople.txt. You can use grep to find all lines in people.txt that contain the consecutive characters ch. To do this, you give grep the matching term ch followed by the file name. The output returns 2 results, Dennis Ritchie and Erwin Schrödinger, containing a lowercase match to ch. Performing the same operation, but this time with the -i option, returns an extra result, Charles Babbage, which has an uppercase C. The -i option expands the pattern search by making it case insensitive. You can also use the cut command to extract specific sections from each line in your file. Here you see the list of famous names again, such as Alan Turing and Charles Babbage. You can use the cut command to extract the 2nd to 9th characters from every line by entering cut -c 2-9 people.txt. You can see from the output that Alan Turing is returned as Lan Turi. Let's look at a more practical example for using cut with text files. Suppose you want to extract only the last name of each person on your list. You know that each line of your list is made up of 2 fields, the person's first and last names. A space separates these fields. Here, you're cutting to extract the 2nd field from each line. Using the -d quote space quote option, you can specify that the field delimiter, or the character that indicates the break between fields, is a space. Then, use the -f2 option to return the 2nd field from each line. This will return the last name of each person from the list. Additionally, you can use the paste command to merge lines from multiple files. Imagine you're given the following 3 text files, all with the same number of lines. A text file is called first.txt, containing a list of people's first names. A complementary text file called last.txt, which contains the last names of the same people, and a third text file called yob.txt, which lists each person's year of birth. You can view these files as a table by entering paste first.txt, last.txt, yob.txt. Notice that the 3 columns are evenly aligned because paste uses a tab as a default delimiter. Using this table, you can see, for example, that Charles Babbage was born in 1791. You can specify a delimiter other than tab using the -d option with the paste command. For example, you can use a comma as a delimiter by entering paste -d with a comma surrounded by double quotes together with the first, last, and yob text files. As you can see, this will create a table combining all 3 files with a comma between each field, such as Dennis, Richie, 1941. In this video, you learned how to view the lines of a file alphanumerically using sort, remove repeated lines from your view with unique, get the lines of a file that match your desired criteria using grep, extract slices and fields from lines with cut, merge lines from different files using paste.